So before we attach the pocket, we're going to do a zigzag stitch here at the end to prevent the pockets to fray, and then I'll show you what we'll do. So this is done nicely. Okay, now let's see if you can follow what I am doing. Remember that I decided that here I will leave a little bit 5 centimeters off. Before I sew this, I need to fix the pocket. So what I'll do, the first thing I will have to do it, I like things to be done nice and properly, so we will have to put 5 centimeters away from the edge, but we need to put the pocket this way because I'm going to sew it this way. Then I'll flip it up and I'll do another sewing so it's nice and cute. So if we start from here, and I will pin it 5 centimeters above. So what I'll do a beginning and the end, and then actually I don't need to do beginning and the end, I can just work along, because this one hasn't got elastic there. But I need to sew it only onto the top one, not both. I'm really sorry, it's getting complicated, but you'll see how lovely it will look. So this is all what I'm doing, 5 centimeters above this. And although we don't need to do a sewing here, I might do one because of the pocket, so it's nice and secure, and then we'll turn it over. I may do it for the sake of it. Okay, so now we keep pinning 5 centimeters and above. As you can see. Okay, this is what I do from underneath. I measure 5 centimeters. And I put the seam just on the top of it. I think everyone can work on a nice spacious table. If you can do this project in a small space, you are a pro. I think this is how they say it in English. I have a feeling I had to start tiny bit. No, I'll just keep it like that. Gosh. I'll do it like that. Gosh. Work in progress. Look how pretty this is. Okay, so what we'll do now, although we didn't need to do a stitch here, I'm going to do in the middle because I will have to do the pocket up. So I'll do it now, and then we'll turn it over and we will do another stitch here. Let me just see if you can see what I'm doing. So now we are going to do a little stitch here, just a straight stitch to make it nice and pretty. But beforehand we need to pin and make sure that the pocket is in the right place. Okay, I'll pin it here. I did move it tiny bit, can you see a little bit, but it will be lovely, just a little bit off. And this I need to clip this way. Tiny bit out. So we'll go down the pocket, along, and then up. So now we're going along. Okay, so now we need to measure what pockets we want, which is a little bit fiddly, as we already have the elastic and everyone is pulling and we don't know what it is. So 56, 58 now it's 58. 60 divided 29. Okay, let me see where 29 is. So if you hold somewhere there and we put, this is the center, hopefully it will not move. So I want to go through the center and then will go through here once more. Okay, let me see now. So it's roughly somewhere here in the middle I'll go. Gosh, so lovely. So look now, when we did the bottom, look how nicely the pocket looks, because we zigzag it and then we put another stitch. Look, inside is absolutely beautiful. So now the dilemma is left or right to be the smaller one. Okay, this one, this side. Let's not complicate it. So somewhere here we will put, gosh, it's so pretty. This middle, actually I have to measure it. What did we say? It was 29. No. I think it was 29, 13, 15, 14 and a half, somewhere there. Okay, so now we've reached the time where we need to flip everything inside, all the outer bit to go in, and I would do this edge first and then I'll go all the way around, and then I think I have to do one more where we've been here with the pocket, so the board doesn't go everywhere, because this is for the board. It makes it little bit fiddly because we have the elastic now, but let me put all these pins. With pins will be much easier. Hope you can see what I'm doing. And here. Not sure why here we have so much. I'm just going to measure before I sew if I need to fold it a little bit further to the left. Or what? Sorry, I will have to go from here because I don't want this not to be long enough. So actually what I will do, I will start from here down, as the pins are already pointing this end. So this is my bad. I thought I was clever, but I wasn't. So I need to do this afterwards when I flip it in the... So I need to undo it. So I'll go and undo it and we'll continue. Okay, so now we are going to start with a zigzag. We are going to do the out bit first. And then we are going to go up a straight stitch. I know it's in a bit, but I like things to be done properly, so we're going to do the zigzag. And now we're going to do the straight stitch just next to the zigzag. Okay, so we've done this bit. Now we need to come and do the other bit, but do know. So let's pin this end so we know it's nicely done, and we'll do the same zigzag and a stitch, straight stitch. This is the elastic here. We will have to include it in this. Inside. That's good. Here we don't have to do a zigzag, but why not? We'll do it anyway. Okay, zigzag. So now we'll turn around and we'll do the straight.
That's the end of part 4. Much of this stage is careful preparation, making sure every piece is cut and ready before we move on. It may not be the most glamorous part of the journey, but it's an important one. Join us in the next part as the restoration continues.